magnetic lashes, Fenty Beauty, Huda Beauty, NYX, all of these and so much more. Keep watching. Drugstore, high-end, Sephora, Ulta, Korean. Let's review all the makeup I got in the past year. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen. I do travel, beauty, and lifestyle video. Join the family and hit the subscribe button. Let's explore the world and try new things together. Alright, so I've actually been wanting to do this video for the longest time now, but then new things kept coming up and I was like, let me go save it for like the end of the year. It's 2018. I want to show you guys all the makeup I got in the past year. I'm actually chilling on my sofa right now and I have all of the stuff I gathered on my right. But first, I'm going to start with the first thing I'm wearing on my face, which is my magnetic lashes by the Lash Lab. This is the latest beauty product I ordered and I got the natural magnetic mink lashes. As you guys can see, the lashes fit exactly on my eye. So the one I've been seeing all over YouTube and social media are the ones that only occupied half of the lash line and I didn't feel like ordering it. It wasn't until my friend recommended the Lash Lab lashes, which is a local lash line. By local, I mean a Philippine lash line. Look at my eye, it's like, it just pops and brightens it. This is my first pair of magnetic lashes and so far I'm loving it. It's so lightweight. I don't even feel like I have lashes on compared to normal lashes. It doesn't feel like it's coming off and it's amazing. Now let's go to the shadows. The latest one I got is this Galaxy palette by Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. As you can see, the packaging is so nice. Well packaged. You have this, excuse the fingerprints, it stains easily. And then when you open it, we have all these colors. I normally would prefer palettes that have all the colors just like this one. The colors are actually quite deceiving. As you can see, it looks super light, but when you apply it, it actually turns out to be dark. Unlike Huda Beauty, this is more glittery and shiny, so if you prefer a girly, shiny look, go for this palette. Next, we have this travel size palettes by Huda Beauty, which is called Obsessions. We have the Smokey, and we also have the Electric. Now, they don't carry these palettes in the Philippines. My friend Irene from the makeup store Manila was able to get this for me. She's basically Sephora in the Philippines. Her link is in the description down below. It's the makeup store Manila. Now, let's review the palette. I actually used the Smokey Obsessions for my eye look today. As you can see, we have a mirror right here and 9 colors. We got browns, we got blacks. Basically, all the colors that you need to create the perfect smoky look. Huda Beauty is super pigmented. I would always give it a 10 out of 10. Same as the Smokey palette, the Electric comes in 9 colors as well. Now, as you guys can tell, the palettes are so small, but let's compare it to the Rose Gold palette by Huda Beauty. The Rose Gold palette comes in pinkish, goldish, copperish, and smoky colors. So why is this my favorite eye palette? Well, as you can tell, my hair isn't pink right now, but when it is, this palette complements my hair color and I usually wear it for every look. No matter what outfit I'm wearing, this is my go-to palette. Let's compare. Put it together. The pans are exactly the same size. This is the best palette in the world. 10 out of 10. Next, we have the Prissy Princess by MAC. This was actually given to me by my fiance's mom, Tita Trina. We got 8 shadows and 1 highlighter over here. This palette gives you more of a smoky look. I normally use Huda Beauty for glam, but I like using this when I'm in the office because it's very lightweight. The highlighter is very subtle. I wouldn't really call it a highlighter, but it's a highlighter. I think I would just prefer to use it as a shadow. One of my favorite palettes ever. Next, we have the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. This is the first palette I got, and it has all the colors of the rainbow. I was so attracted to it when I passed by it in Sephora. I got it right off the bat. It was on sale. I think I got this for $30. I thought this palette was gonna be great and all, since Naked and all the other Urban Decay palettes were great. This palette doesn't have any staying power. It's not pigmented. The worst palette I've ever owned. When someone introduced Huda Beauty palette to me, I was like, bye Felicia! 4 out of 10. Sorry, Urban Decay, you disappointed me in this. No wonder why you guys were trying to get rid of all the stocks and sale a month after this came out. Next, we have this Tarteist Pro to Go palette by Tarte. If you are going for a beachy, natural look, this is the palette for you. I would rate this 8 out of 10. Now, I promise to show you guys drugstore products too. we have the In the Night Smoky Shades Eye Color Palette. My fiance got this for me while he was in Japan. The packaging is quite different. I feel like I could take out the eyeshadows inside and make it a pencil case. I feel like this is like a Naked copycat. As you can see, it looks exactly the same as Naked. So this is a drugstore product. It's pretty good. I really like it. I think I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Now I'm going to show you guys the e.l.f. products I got. First, we have this e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator. You usually use this before applying lip liner and lipstick. Use this to get the dead skin out of your lips. Next, we have the lip primer and the lip plumper. I'm the queen of hoarding, so I have a lot of backups for all my products. I'm gonna show you guys the open one I have over here. On this side, we have the plump. Oh god, it looks disgusting. On this side, we have the plumper. It's more of a see-through color. So when you apply this on your lip, you're going to have this tingling, burning feeling on your lip. That means it's pumping your lip. On the other side here, we have the primer. It's actually a beige color, so it makes it easier to put in whatever color you want. If you're gonna put the brown, purple, or whatever color lipstick you have, and it makes your lipstick last a lot longer. Last, for the e.l.f. products, we have this e.l.f. Kiss It Goodbye Lip Color Remover. You usually use this to remove the heavy, tough, and thick lipsticks like Kylie, ColourPop. This makes it so much easier than using makeup remover or makeup wipes. Now guys, let's move on to primers. First, we have the Makeup Forever Step 1 Primer. When you open it, it comes in this packaging, and guys, bye Felicia! Girls and Bachelor in Paradise recommended this primer for humid weather. No, it's the worst primer ever. When you put it on your face, it feels so heavy, it feels so disgusting. It makes my makeup look so cakey, so I'm not even going to rate this. Goodbye. Best primer in the whole wide world for me, it's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Makes my makeup last the whole day. From morning 4 a.m. to like midnight, my makeup is still intact because of this. I would recommend this. This is a 10 out of 10. Next, we have the Professional Primer by Benefit. My fiance actually got this for me. I never actually thought of buying this, but my other friends are crazy over this. I heard that this fills in your pores. My pores right now aren't that big, so I never thought of buying it. Comes in this really tiny box. The packaging is bigger than my face, but the box is even smaller. And when you open it, the tube is even smaller. I haven't tried it out yet. Heard it's really good, so I can't give you guys a rating on that one, but it's so misleading. Next, we have this foundation that I use. My favorite foundation in the whole wide world by Makeup Forever. It covers up all my acne scars and all the weird bumps and different colors on my face. I hoarded a lot of Makeup Forever foundation, but from what I've observed, one bottle like this would last you 6 months, so you're good for 2 bottles a year. And guys, obviously this is a 10 out of 10.
And for an everyday look, I like to use the Instaglow CC Cream by The Body Shop. If I want to look a bit tanner, I use the Peachy Glow, and if I want my face to look a bit brighter, I use the Bright Glow.
Now let's move on to setting sprays. We have the NYX Matte Finish Mini Matte Primer. I don't know if you guys saw the story online about the girl who got into a car accident, went into an ambulance, and checked out of the hospital after like 2 days and her makeup was still intact. This is amazing. Even if it's a drugstore product, it's so affordable and it makes makeup last the whole day. To make my makeup last even longer, I mixed this with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. So I used the NYX for the first layer, then I set it with this. I would rate both of these products 10 out of 10. Now let's move on to the blushes. First, we have the Super BB Insta Ready by Physicians Formula. So before applying my regular powder blush, this is the first layer I put. As you can see, we have a highlighter over here, a mid blush over here, regular blush color over here. Goes like that, and I just swipe it on like that right before my blush. So for blushes, I would prefer to use Too Faced. First of all, the packaging is so cute. Similar to the Physicians Formula, when you open it, it comes in these 3 colors. We have the peach, the orangey, and the pink one. And it looks so good, so glowy. This is my favorite. I actually would prefer to use blush over bronzer any day. Now let's move on to my contour and highlighting palette. Just like the blush, there are some days when I look plain and I want to do all the full-on contour. I use the Super BB Insta Ready, the contour version. Just like the blush, we have the highlighter over here, mid-tone, and the regular contour color. So before putting on my contour, this is what I use to make my contour last longer. Then I apply my Shade and Light by Kat Von D. Kat Von D contour palette comes with 3 highlighters and 3 contour shades. My skin is quite olive and is a light skin tone, so normally use these 2 colors, but to make the color seem more, I use the darker one. But on a normal day, I like using the light one. This is the only bronzer I have by Too Faced. It comes in 2 shades when you open it. Very cute, very glowy, perfect for the beach. Now let's move on to the highlighters. So normally all the girls go gaga over an Opal by Becca. Becca is my favorite highlighter. Me, I tried on Opal and all the different colors they had, and the best color that looked good on my skin tone is Moonstone. Guys, I always have a backup. This is very pigmented, lasts super long, but here's the catch. This palette actually broke several times. I had to use alcohol to fix it over and over again. Probably in the past 6 months, this broke about 3 times. Because of the pigmentation and because it lasts long, I would give this a 10 out of 10. Next, let's move on to the only Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette I have, which is the Glow Kit. Quite dirty, please excuse the dirt. Comes in 3 colors. We have the white and it's basically all gold. For me, Anastasia Beverly Hills is good for everyday and more of a natural look, and it doesn't last long. So I would give this a 6 out of 10, but I usually use this for the office, and if I want to go glam, I use Becca. Before applying all the makeup I have on, I use the Highlighting Base Illuminator by The Face Shop, which is a Korean brand. Open it. It looks like nail polish. In fairness to this is a drugstore product, which feels like a high-end product. I apply this before my eyeshadow, and my highlighter lasts all day. The other primer I use is this eyeshadow primer by Urban Decay. Opens like this, and comes like that. It actually looks like concealer. Pretty good. Ulta makes my eyeshadow last all day, but I would prefer to use the Face Shop because it's very lightweight compared to this because it's really heavy. Now let's move on to the eyeliner. Guys, I have so much eyeliners. Eyeliners for days. I got eyeliner backup. Eyeliner shortage. I'm good for the year. Longest time, I've been using these 2 eyeliners from Urban Decay's 24/7 line. These are very pigmented, but they don't last long. They end up smearing all over my eye. I wouldn't recommend it for long wear or for glam. This is just like an everyday eyeliner you can use if you're in the office or if you run errands in the mall. The pigmentation is 10 out of 10, and for long wear, it's just 6 out of 10. My baby, my favorite, the Marc Jacobs highlighter. When you guys are a member of Sephora, you end up getting a lot of free products. I actually got a free Marc Jacobs lipstick and eyeliner, and this is how I discovered the amazing Marc Jacobs beauty line. For long wear, this is a perfect eyeliner. The pigmentation is great. This is a 10 out of 10. I swear, Sephora. They give you those free products and you end up buying it on your next trip. For my liquid liners, I have these 2 liners right here. My faves, we got the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D and this liquid liner by Dollywink, which is a Japanese brand. Dollywink and Kat Von D, for me, they both feel the same. They last so long. I would give these 2 a 10 out of 10. Next, we have these Tarte eyeliners. It comes in brown and black with an angled eyeliner brush, which makes it easier to perfect the wing line. It's actually quite hard to push the product out of the tube. I would give this a 7 out of 10. Whew! I think I covered almost everything. So for mascara, I don't really have the longest lashes in the world. For mascara, I prefer to use drugstore product. This one is a Falsies Push-Up Angel. The applicator is angled for your lashes, so it makes it easier to bring up your lashes and volumize it. Next, we have the Mega Plush Volume Express by Maybelline. My friend Ina recommended this to me. For her, this is her favorite mascara. When you open it, it comes in this really big fluffy brush. According to her, it makes your lashes go whoosh, whoosh. So for glam, I would prefer to use this one. I also have this Roller Lash by Benefit, and it's okay. It's just a regular mascara. It's just okay. I still prefer the Maybelline over this one. I got plenty of lipsticks last year, but the latest one I got is from the Gigi Hadid lipstick line. The lipstick I got is the color Erin. I got the lip liner to match it and the lipstick. This is the packaging. It's so cute. And we have Erin. So when you apply this on, it actually feels similar to the Marc Jacobs lipstick I'm gonna show you guys in a bit, but it's very thick, it's not drying, it doesn't last too long, so if you're going to parties, I wouldn't really recommend this. Next, let's review a local lipstick line by Tarteist called BLK Cosmetics. My amazing, gorgeous friend gave me these two colors for Christmas. She got me the nude color called Simple and the pink one called Sassy. I loved it so much. The application is just like ColourPop, but it's very moisturizing and non-drying, and it's kiss-proof, so when my dogs lick me, it still stays on. I love these lipsticks so much that I got two other colors in bold and Grayson. We have the super red one here and the dark red over here. This is my favorite new lipstick. I would really recommend it. They ship worldwide. Like I said when I was showing you guys the eyeliner, they gave me a sample size Marc Jacobs eyeliner and lipstick. I fell in love with both of them, so I decided to get 3 colors from the Marc Jacobs line. The other one is missing. I got the Kiss Bang Bang lipstick, which is a pink color, and the Slow Burn, which is a nude. Marc Jacobs lipstick is so moisturizing. It's for long wear. Even when I eat a burger, the lipstick is still on. Now, what I'm gonna be showing you guys is quite old, maybe a year old. Like I said, this is a 2017 makeup haul. So I have the 2016 Kylie Holiday Edition lipstick with these 4 lippies, which are upside down. Woo! We got 2 lip glosses on the side here, and then we have 2 liquid lipsticks here. It's so nice. It makes it look very elegant. It's also long wearing. I love it, but it's just a bit drying. I have these 3 lipstick packs from ColourPop, and like I said, they are quite old, but I only got them at the start of 2017, so it still counts. This mini Hello Kitty lipstick pack is so awesome. 5 different colors, which is a mix of matte and satin lips. All my favorite lipstick colors from ColourPop are from this line. Next, we have the Moment of Weakness lipsticks from ColourPop. It comes with 7 colors, which represent each day of the week. Sunday to Saturday ones. For Friday, we have the black one. And we have a mix of nudes and pink. I like this one. May think that it looks messy, but box bounces back. It's so annoying. They gotta fix on their packaging. Then we have this Forever or Never Ultra Matte Lip Collection, which has 5 colors. The formulas make it feel so cakey and kind of gross. Never really, or I rarely use it, so this one is super disappointing. But my battery's gonna die soon and I don't have an extra battery.
I got these lip liners from NYX, and honestly, I think they make my lipsticks last a lot longer than Kylie's lip liner. So got this NYX Color Correcting Concealer. I usually just use the green and the yellow ones for dark spots and for my acne.
Okay, this is quite dirty. I got the Real Techniques brush set. We have the powder one, we have the one for the eyeshadow, and we have the one for foundation. I actually don't use the foundation brush for foundation, but I use this to highlight my face. I also got this Eco Tools brush set. Comes in these 4 brushes. I would really recommend this for contouring. This is really perfect. For my highlighter, I use this Sigma fan brush. And just use it to go like this. This is the best brush on the market. I'm gonna go finish this makeup haul video with Innisfree No Sebum, how do you pronounce it? Blur powder. So I got these 2 Innisfree blur powders. We have the loose powder and we have the blur pack. So it comes in this cushion and this. I find it quite difficult because the holes are so small. It doesn't really all come out. This product is so great. I would compare this to the Laura Mercier loose powders. If you're acne prone and have a lot of scars on your face, this powder is for you. This blur pack was on sale the other day and actually it turned out to be cheaper than the other one. Barely used. I just got this. I just ordered it. Not a loose powder, but I find it easier to apply it on the face. They're basically the same thing, and I would give this a 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe down below, like our Facebook page, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next week.